Hey guys, Joe here from JCS-ChARTING. It's Thursday morning, the 29th of August. A quick update on gold and the DAX. Last time I was showing that bullish wither wave wedge here in blue with that target line, but I mentioned that green sequence is much more important. It triggered already last time. We were somewhere here in that pullback. It went up again and it pulled back to the 61.8 retracement of that rally. And we found so far a temporary low at 24.92. I entered a long position at 25.06. My members know about it. And I gave them 25.21 last night as magnet. Somewhere here we were hitting that level exactly this morning. And as soon as we get an hourly close above, this blue sequence should also work out. And it could work in combination with that green sequence. And we switch into the DAX for our time frame official Cetra indication, and this is a subcycle chart we use to determine temporary lows, and this little tiny low actually qualifies as a subcycle low this morning. It was a gap close at 18,782. I have to say, overnight, yesterday with the Nvidia earnings, we were actually 120 points lower, and since then we rallied over 240 points, which means that low qualifies already as a subcycle low, because we always rally 200 points up to 300 points as a minimum. So the minimum requirements for that low are met, and we are running into all-time high resistance presently. The all-time high was at 18,892. We were hitting already 18,912 this morning. This should usually result in a deeper pullback. I wonder how many points DAX is willing to give to the downside. We might retest that trend line here on the cash as well at 18,680 approximately. So this is something to look at. This is a pattern everyone talks about, that descending broadening wedge here in blue on the daily chart. It's still the cash indication, and as you can see, the time projection suggested a high here today. The price indication is a bit too high. I wanted the 18,823. I said that these 138% like to turn around. It didn't quite work out here. Yesterday we got a shooting star, but it got wiped out today with a gap up and a back test, or a gap close, and then we were making new all-time highs. Presently we are 20 points above the old all-time high, so I still expect at least a back test of that trend line here at the cash as well. 18,680 is level for that, or even deeper into the 18,400 area. Last but not least, hourly chart, JFD indication again. I was showing that red wither wave wedge, and after triggering that wedge, we knew here that DAX is not really interested in moving downwards. It just back tested these highs, and then it went back above the wedge and back tested that upper trend line. It kind of did the same with a blue wither wave wedge, which got triggered right here. We jumped up and then we were selling, came back up, and then it was back testing this trend line twice this morning and started pumping. That green sequence here is still on. Had got a last target of 18,935. The turnaround point here at 18,845, we were shorting that yesterday. That worked out quite well for almost 180 points to the downside. And now I wonder what DAX is doing in this new territory at new all-time highs. That's about it. I hope you liked this one. Leave me a like or a nice comment, and I see you on the weekend most likely. Thank you and bye-bye.